How does new sports technology impact jobs? Imagine a world where a game is not just played on the field but also shaped behind the scenes by advanced tools and systems. That's the reality of how technology is changing sports careers today. As new tech enters the industry, it's creating fresh opportunities and shifting existing roles. Understanding these changes can help anyone aiming for a future in sports. Many tasks that used to need human effort are now automated. Ticket sales, for example, moved from physical box offices to online platforms. Stadium access checks have become quick QR code scans instead of manual checks. Data entry jobs, once common in sports organizations, are now handled by automated software. These shifts mean fewer entry-level jobs in some operational areas. This pattern hits early career workers hardest. Recent studies show that jobs involving manual or repetitive tasks have declined by about 13% since 2022. Positions like customer service or basic ticketing, which relied on human effort, have seen a drop of nearly 20% between late 2020 and mid-2025. Meanwhile, more experienced workers in similar roles have seen employment grow. But it's not all about losing jobs. Technology is also creating new roles. The sports industry now needs specialists in data analysis, digital fan engagement, sports app development, and performance tracking. These jobs requiring skills in interpreting data, managing digital platforms, and working with artificial intelligence tools. For example, teams now hire data scientists and digital strategists, roles that barely existed 10 years ago. To stay competitive, workers need to learn new skills. Using digital tools and understanding data analysis are becoming essential. Currently, about 23% of sports employees use artificial intelligence tools weekly, and that number is rising. Those who resist learning new tech risk falling behind. On the other hand, professionals who develop hybrid skills combining sports knowledge with technology are more likely to advance. Long-term, experts estimate that about 6 to 7% of the overall sports workforce could face displacement if artificial intelligence becomes widespread. However, this impact is mostly on administrative, ticketing, and customer service roles. Historically, new technology tends to replace some jobs but also creates new industries and opportunities. The sports industry is experiencing this shift now, with a reshuffling of roles rather than a complete reduction in jobs. In the end, the impact of technology on sports jobs is a mix of challenges and chances. Entry-level roles may shrink, but new careers are emerging for those willing to learn. Skills in data, digital platforms, and technology are becoming key to building a successful career. The industry's future will depend on how well professionals adapt and embrace these technological changes. Those who see technology as a tool to improve their work will find more opportunities ahead.